So there are a lot of different schools on how to mow the lawn and what to do and what not to do. And regarding winterizing the lawn, it's some people say that you should cut it. You should keep the length up because that will protect the roots from the cold. But then again, if you have snow on it and you have it too high, you could have what is called a snow mold. You will notice that when in the spring, if you had snow on the lawn and there's some areas that are kind of white and they die out, that is snow mold. We haven't had cold weather, like real cold weather, in a long time, and it's been mostly wet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this really short, and that way the earthworms, they can eat all the clippings, and there's some leaf on the lawn also, they can take care of that, and that will bring the nutrients down into the soil. And I have never had any problem with freezing, that the lawn should freeze or something like that. But every lawn is different, so you have to try out what is right for you. And I think this is right for my lawn. It's difficult because, I mean, every year is different. Some year you have cold, and some year you only have wet. But this is the way I'm gonna do it this year anyway. think it does a really good job on mulching these leaves. You have to consider they were wet also, so not so easy to pick them up.